This is the Frontech eCam Full HD Webcam FT-2256, designed for meetings, classes, streaming, and content creation. Simple, sharp, and super reliable. You get Full HD 1080p at 30 fps powered by a 4MP sensor. So your video looks clear, sharp, and smooth every time. It also has advanced autofocus and automatic light correction, which means you look good even in low or uneven lighting. It's fully plug and play, just connect via USB and you're live, no drivers, no setup stress. 60-degree wide-angle lens keeps you perfectly framed, without distortion. The built-in dual noise reduction microphones capture your voice clearly while cutting background noise. Perfect for calls, presentations, and online classes. Great for work from home meetings, times online classes and interviews, times YouTube and live streaming, times travel or portable setups. It also comes with a secure clip design and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. If you want sharp video, clear audio, and a webcam that just works, this is a solid pick.